Hi guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. We are making an owl today. So this is what my first copy of the owl looks like that we're going to be making. I made 2 or 3 owls so far. I'm planning on making like a brown color this time, but let's get to the video.
Starting off with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, you then do 8 increase and you go all the way up to 3 single crochet increase, and then to round it out you do your 5 rounds of single crochet, and then you decrease until you reach 2 single crochet and decrease. Okay, once you finish the head, you leave a really big string for sewing, like this. And you do basically the exact same thing for the rest of the body, but you add 2 extra rows of single crochet. That just makes this longer. And then you leave another huge string at the end for the other one. After you have both pieces, you just stick them together like this, line them up, and then sew it up. Right now it doesn't look very flattering, but after you stuff it, it takes shape. Do not forget to stuff it like I once did. If you would like to see more crochet tutorials, just leave a like or a follow and I would greatly appreciate it. Next up is the wings, which is also 8 single crochet in a magic ring, and then go to 8 increase and then 3 single crochet increase, and then you slowly decrease by including a row of single crochet between every decrease until you reach your last row that is single crochet and decrease. The ears and the tails are basically the same thing with 6 single crochet in a magic ring and then do your rounds of single crochet. Now it is time to sew up all your body parts. The eyes are simple too, with 8 single crochet in a magic ring and then 8 increase. The beak is 4 single crochet in a magic ring with your single crochet increase. Smack those eyes in the middle of the circles. And sew them on. I'm doing these V shapes for the chest details because it's cute. And now, the results.
Okay, here are the results. This is what I like and what I dislike about it. What I like about it is I love how the colors turned out. They work so well together. Yeah, I really liked how it turned out. I don't know if I have anything to complain about really. So what I dislike about it, I remember when I was making this, I thought the head was a little too big. I don't know if I'm going crazy or not. I really love how it turns out, and this one again is going to be sold, so whatever lucky person gets this little owl. Yeah, that's everything, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!